So it's the week before the show, and the professional performers have all arrived to start rehearsing, and I've just been thinking about the journey so far. And you know, it was over a year ago when we began plotting this show, and then 6 months ago we were in Carnarvon for the launch event with the boat that set off from Carnarvon and the lantern carrying, and then we did 2 more weeks of training around Wales, and then a couple of weeks ago I was in Kilgerran, where one of the artists had made a show, and it began with the coracles coming in up the River Tyvi. Those same coracles will be arriving on the night of September the 12th, along with the sea rowers who have set off to row to Cardiff. So it's all really exciting. I think the thing to remember about the night is that you are coming to a birthday celebration, and Ceridwen is our enchantress, our mistress of ceremonies, and she has called people from all over Wales to come here to Cardiff for this celebration that marks the finale of the 10th anniversary of the centre. And some of the people that are coming are carrying gifts. Some of them have rowed here, some of them have walked here, and everybody will be arriving with their gift. So we've got a gift from North Wales, a gift from Mid Wales, a gift from South Wales. And because it's a birthday celebration, of course you will be expected to sing Happy Birthday at some point. There's loads of music. There's a beautifully composed score that runs through the whole show, and I think that's what will give it an emotional journey. You can expect to see dance. We're working with professional dancers and young people, many of whom work at the centre already. We're working with some of the Awen School practitioners. You can expect to see fire and a few explosions. You might see some boats. You'll certainly see the building in a new light. And hopefully you'll go away like at the end of a good party, with things to think about and looking forward to the next 10 years. I think part of what the performance tries to do is pay tribute to the creativity that exists within the building, and also mix it up with some of the amazing artists and artistic practice that we have found in our journey throughout Wales. And I think for me the highlight, the next 2 weeks are a huge privilege. It's that moment when all the ideas and the thinking and the planning of a huge team of people comes to fruition, and that is both exhilarating and terrifying. But of course that's the thrill of the creative process, and I'm lucky to be part of it.